is AI-driven radio access networks, emerging wireless architectures. I will not go much details into technical things of RAN, but definitely after lunch break, I will not make you feel sleepy. It is a general conversation, as well as we will talk more about the world around us, where we are living, general stories like that. Actually, where we are, some of the things we are open, and sometimes we are busy in not knowing what is going on around us in the society, in the world. So I will relate my title with the present as well as future dream, which is going to happen in this world. The topic, once again, it is AI driven, artificial intelligence driven radio access network. In short, it is RAN, and coming to in the emerging wireless architectures. This we already know, all of us know from 1G. It has started in 1979 by Tokyo, and with a very small speed of 2.4 kilobits per second transmission only. A lot of noises, no encryption were there, and the quality of signal was also low. Only phone calls were possible. It is simple like a bicycle, very long back in 1979. Coming to 2G, the facility came up by sending SMS, MMS, and the speed little bit it increased, 64 kilobits per second. And then it was introduced in 1991, and by Finland taking the lead. It is like motor bicycle. And coming to the third, 3G, in between 2.5G was also there. Roughly, I am going with the different sections, what happened. Still, we were able to do the day-to-day activities. So there was a lot of effort in the digital direction from 2019. And in this 5 years, we have seen a lot of changes. It is like, now the present world, everywhere, 5G has come into full swing, and 10 gigabits per second we can say, and smart cities, autonomous vehicles, IoT, all this boomed during this 5G to the maximum. And coming to latency, as I told, less than 1 millisecond. Earlier it was 20 to 60 millisecond in 4G. And millimeter waves, this M has by mistake capital, millimeter waves are used in the transmission in the 5G. And now the story is 6G is promising, I am coming, and faster speed I will give, smarter network, and then better connectivity also I will provide. 6G is looking at us and telling, because 6G is still in research, and it is very early stages, and now not yet in implementation. Many countries, they are in race to take up the lead to implement this 6G. And it is like the story long back. For example, those who are attending this FDP, if your age is at least 30 years, about 25 or 30 years, in your childhood, when you are less than 5 years, or if your present age is 40, at the age of 10, you might have seen the postal letters were used for communication, majorly postal letters. It will take time to reach the destination, and at that time there was a talk, international level, we can send the information within 1 hour time. And people used to laugh, because postal letters, it will take days together within a country or within a district, it may take 1 or 2 days, but out of the country it will take days together to send the information. But within 1 hour, how information could be sent? And the name was email. But now email is just like that, nothing. Everyone knows, even small kids, they understand what is this email. And once upon a time, it was a dream. It was a joke how it will really come into picture. But now email is just a very silly thing. Now we are expecting much bigger than what is presently going on. And coming to 6G, it is promising to give 100 times the speed of the present speed what is available. Now it is 10 gigabits per second. 6G is promising 100 times more, which is 1 terabits per second. And real time, all the streaming is possible with zero latency, delay, with very less delay or zero delay. Zero delay is aimed for. Zero delay is aimed for. And coming to sub-millisecond, in 5G it was less than 1 millisecond, but now 6G is aiming for sub-millisecond. Augmented reality, virtual reality, all these are already in the early stage, but it will come in full swing in the 6G when it is really comes into implementation. And in the 5G, millimeter waves are used for the signal transmission. In 6G, it will be terahertz waves which will be used. And then if you see 5G, already we discussed in one of the previous slides, smart cities came into picture, autonomous vehicles, IoT, all this well established, almost. It is real time possible. Not everywhere established, but real time it is possible. And coming to 6G, if you see, 6G means it is very short distance signals. They can travel only very short distance and traffic becomes high. Okay, for example, I will tell you how the traffic becomes high. Once upon a time, many of us, we didn't had mobile or Nokia 1100. Rarely people used to have, and that was the famous mobile at that time. But now everyone is having smartphone. So everyone is want of using all the services available. Everyone is having Messenger, Instagram, Facebook, whatnot, WhatsApp, all the LinkedIn, all the accounts everyone is having, and everyone want to participate in it. So where all those data, how it will be transmitted, how those data will be stored. Once upon a time, people didn't use so much, but now everyone want to use and they are involved. So now data has become very high, necessity, complexity, everything increased. So traffic definitely increases. How to handle it? For example, earlier days there were not much cars, but everyone is having 2-3 cars at home now. All the cars comes onto the road, traffic definitely increases. No, so how to control that traffic? So that is the same going to happen in 6G, much more than what is happening in 5G. And 5G, everyone already now ready into all the accounts, all the digital services to the maximum possible. In 6G, much more services will come, and though we price, but he said it is going to become obsolete, and in that place, chip is going to be inserted, where they are planning to insert in the brain. Already, with respect to me, I have a small brain, so I'm afraid if these people are planning to put chip in brain, then I don't know how I will survive. Not to me, whoever agrees with consent only they will put. Okay, but that becomes compulsory in the future because activities. Now so without mobile, a lot of effort not able to survive without WhatsApp. 2000, but still I have some friends who don't have WhatsApp. Myself, I don't have Instagram account. Okay, that's the difference. To WhatsApp is compulsory, so I have to maintain. So when it comes compulsory, we are just into it, isn't it? For survival in the working place, all the communications are fastly, and first communication is WhatsApp only. So like that, in future, the inserting chip in brain also, if it becomes compulsory, we have to give our consent to insert. So this man was telling, this Elon Musk, richest person in the world, he was telling chip is going to be inserted in brain, and mobile phones are going to be obsolete, waste material. We have to throw it. Okay, but I don't know how long it will take, but very soon, I will tell you in the upcoming slides how it will be very soon. And then this AI will monitor all the dense traffic, and now this 6G is depending on AI. Okay, in this slide, all these are high speed video streaming. Okay, everything is coming into picture. You see here, there are some Instagram symbols, Facebook symbols, WhatsApp symbols. 10 people are using WhatsApp, 20 people are using Instagram, all this messengers, all this. So everyone want to use the channel broadcast, and there are a lot of traffic going on. So AI will monitor. Okay, 6G will support, but traffic increases. AI will monitor and give space only where there is high density traffic. Low density, it will stop for a while, and then afterwards it will release the low density traffic directions also. Allows the dynamic resources. AI will monitor all this. Any overloading is there, it will try to avoid, and it will work smarter also. Fully autonomous industries, personalized healthcare, etc. All these things, this AI will help. 6G is going to depend on AI, and both of them together is going to do something marvelous or something upside down. We have to wait and see. And now coming to 6G, it is expected to come in 2030. Another 5 years. Just wait and see. Another 5 years, 6G will come. As in 2019, 5G came. So similarly, in 2030, 6G will come. and competitors to release this. Already in the first slide, I showed you 2G who released, 4G who released, like that. Now for releasing 6G, there is a big competition going on. We are very busy in life. We are not, we are not, sometimes we never heard of this. Some people are in the race to implement this 6G. I also came across this only the past 2 days. 6G releasing competition. 6G will come, that we know. After 6G, maybe 7G, 20G also will come. That we may expect. But some people are in competition. Some countries are in competition in implementing this. Why? What's the reason? What's the profit? We will see in the successive slides. Now, if you see who are there in the race to release 6G, for US, China, Japan, and South Korea. Basically, these 4 people are in race. And if you if you recall, US means who you will remember. What will come to your mind? US means generally it is Trump only, because he is making a lot of comedy for the past few months. Wherever war stopped, he is telling, I only stopped war, isn't it? And what happened? This Elon Musk and Trump. I will tell you a small joke, then I will proceed. Summer vacation came in 2025. We all know summer vacation means we just relax more than our regular fast running activities. We just relax for a while. Okay, we spend little more time on entertainment or on news channels. Okay, or whatever we like. And when the summer vacation started in 2025, I was little bit relaxed because my semester subjects teaching got over, and all the students, they went for exam. So I had little time. I went into the news, and everywhere I could see newly married couple. They went for honeymoon somewhere, I forgot, in North India. Wife killed husband. Okay, and there was a valley thrown away. And Bangalore, wife killed husband. So everywhere there was killing. I was not happy with Indian news. I let person, he can plan his schedule, but Trump is not like that. So wherever Trump is having meeting, Elon Musk will be there next to him, and he will be dancing, shake hand with everyone. He used to be there as bestie, both of them. Wherever Elon is there, Trump will be there. Wherever Trump is there, Elon will be there together. But what happened recently? Richest person, how he became? Elon Musk, how he became? He needs the support of Trump. Trump is the president. He also needs the support of richest man. So they are together. And somewhere something happened. And now this man, Trump is not listening to Elon Musk. Elon Musk told, I will start one party opposite Trump, Revolutionary Party something. He was giving statements 4 months back. All these were interesting. I left India News because if something I put in status about India News, they will put me in jail. So if I put something in status about Trump and Elon Musk, it will take time to reach them. So I am safe. I enjoy the comedy, and some statements I used to put something like this: chip in the brain. Okay, all this seems funny for me, but it will come. It will come. That also I believe. And coming to China, this man joined with China. Elon Musk joined with China. It seems he is having China citizenship also. And we know China also want to lead cross US in all the things. And then Japan is already there in one of the G releasing. In the first slide we saw. And South Korea, North Korea, we remember that Kim Jong-un. South Korea, their technology wise. North Korea, he don't allow any technology into their country, and he is the one and only ruler. And coming, all these things are there. So these people are competitors. These people are competitors in releasing this 6G, and it will come by 2030. And coming to the statements, he is making a lot of statements, this Elon Musk. Wikipedia, whatever we type in Wikipedia, it will give some information. He told just 1.5 months back, I am coming up in next 14 days with Grokpedia. Wikipedia, so many disadvantages are there, and these are the disadvantages he stated. And then something he told, I don't remember all those things. Grokpedia, it is far better than Wikipedia. I'm releasing in next 14 days. 14 days over, I didn't check whether he released or not. He will be doing it because the richest person, no, he will be doing it. And now coming to 6G, okay, all those statements, some fantastic game is going on around us in the world, in the society, but we are still busy running race in our only day-to-day activities. We have to open eyes and see what Trump and Elon Musk is doing at least once in a while. Otherwise, we will miss the bus. Now, coming to the future of wireless is 6G. future of wireless is 6G. Up to 5G we have seen. The 6G is going to be the game changer. What is that game changer? If you see these things, presently I have iPhone, and iPhone is the trend now, isn't it? And I'm not very much technology based, very fast in this generation. No, I'm very slow, and but still I maintain iPhone. That itself is making me embarrassed, because iPhone is given to me for the past 2.5 years. I didn't learn all the features yet. Whatever you give to me, I hold it very safely without damaging. I should maintain. That is my target. So whatever necessity is there, I'm using it fully. Whatever necessity, scanning, all this and that, email, online, Gmeet, PhD Viva also I conducted using my iPhone. I went for housewarming, my own housewarming in another city. The thesis which I corrected, PhD thesis, they scheduled this same date as Viva, same date housewarming, same date Viva. So using my iPhone, I conducted Viva also. So like that, I maximum made use of it, but at the same time, features wise, I didn't learn yet. Now, my family members are telling there is smartwatch. You may be knowing, but it is new to me. New means very rarely heard to me. You have a smartwatch, you get phone call on the mobile, okay, and you switch on that phone call using your smartwatch and answer, speak in the smartwatch. My family members are telling they will purchase me that. I'm trembling. iPhone itself I didn't learn properly. Then next is coming to me. Then switch on AC. All this we heard, but in our home, whether we are experiencing, enjoying it, that's the secondary thing. We have to think of. All this are there in the society. People are using, that we know. But are we using? Are we into it? That also we have to see. Now, answering phone call using smartwatch. How many of you in this Gmeet are involved in it, using it, enjoying it, experiencing it? Then switch on AC before you reach home. Prepare tea, coffee on the way. Means you have some remote control. You will tell the robot to prepare tea and coffee before you reach